Welcome back. In this episode, I would like us to talk about migrations, creation of models, and then we will also look at relationships. But of course, our app is a simple application, so no big issue. We will just go through those things very fast. So I want us to create the messages model because we will need, every user will be creating messages, many messages for each user, and then they'll be able to communicate among themselves. So we need the message model. I'm going to create it using the command php artisan make model message. And since I also want it to create for us the migrations, I will also tag -m. That command has run successfully. I want us to navigate to the database migrations folder. Inside here, we have our messages migration. And what I want us to do is to just create one column. I want the field to be a text, to have the data type of text. And the name of the field, I will call it message. And since this message is related to a user, we'll also have a foreign key. And I can just create it by saying foreign ID and just pass in user underscore ID. And Laravel will be able to know which model and which migration it is that I'm talking about and which database table that has this user ID. After that, I want us to also create the relationships. And just to mention something, at the end of everything, each and every user can be able to create so many messages. So a user will have many messages, and a message will belong to a specific user. It's not possible for one single message to belong to several users. So we are going to create a one-to-many relationship. And so let me just open the models. And I want to begin with the message. And inside here, I want us to have a function. So we're going to have public function. And we're going to have user. So in this case, the messages will belong to a user. And we're going to have belongs to. And then we can have the curly braces. And inside here, we can say return this belongs to. And then we can have the user model. So we have user class like that. And of course, we are supposed to import the belongs to method. So what I'm going to have above here is use illuminate database, eloquent relations, and then belongs to. I hope I have typed it perfectly. If it has issues, then to be able to mess up our application. So use illuminate database, eloquent relations, belong to. I believe it's okay. And I will just copy what we have here and use it now in the reverse in our user model. So above here, what I'm going to do, I'll just paste it as the last line. And here, what I want us to have is has many. So in this case, a single user has many messages. So that is how the relationship is going to be. So on one side belongs to, the other side has many. And here we are going to have public function messages, and we will have has many. We open the curly braces, and then now here we can say return this has many. And then in this case here, we are going to pass in the message class. And that is good enough. So our relationships are covered. And of course, just to do something else, I can be able to just run the migration, php artisan migrate, to migrate the latest tables that we have created. That is the end of this tutorial episode. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. And if you have contributions, you can share in the comment section below. Thank you very much.